Listen up, North Korea back on this track. The South standing up to me, you still got no sack. Nothing competes with our military mind. Dopest commanders that you will never find. Soviet rule till the day I fucking die. Mess with me, then you better quickly say goodbye. I got Kim Jong-il on my fucking side. When they say we're weak, then they probably lie.
Back the fuck up, man, this ain't just like old times. The day will come when you pay for your fucking crimes. I remember when we drove you off our golden land, pushed you down, then you sank in the sand. You will never get to the level that I'm at. If I was mean, then I'd probably call you fat. Battling me was just a huge mistake. Please don't forget the icing on my birthday cake.
Been on a break for a while, but that ain't changed me. If you think we gone, then you are crazy. Drift in my darkness, listen to me, baby. Kim Jong-un chillin' with the BZs. We ain't scared to pick our guns up and fight. Our aggression planted seeds deep late at night. If you don't want problems, stay out of my sight. If you disagree, then stand to my light.
Before fighting us, take care of your people, man. Can't you see, they're starving in the streets, man. Why the darkness in your heart that you hate me? I ain't the reason for your dying babies. Demarketize your land just like we did. Then we might chill during the weekends. Leave this battle for the people on the internet. I think I won this battle, didn't even break a sweat.